Have you ever considered the critical role predictive maintenance plays in military operations? Predictive maintenance is all about foreseeing problems before they occur. It's like having a crystal ball for your military equipment. Imagine the advantage of knowing when a tank might fail or a drone might malfunction. The unpredictability of equipment failure presents a significant challenge in military operations. Unplanned equipment downtime in the military can have catastrophic consequences. Enter predictive maintenance, a game-changer in military operations. Let's delve into a real-life example of how AI-powered predictive maintenance has transformed military operations. Imagine a fleet of military aircraft, each equipped with thousands of sensors continuously collecting data on everything from engine performance to weather conditions. This data is a gold mine, but without the right tools, it's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Enter artificial intelligence. AI algorithms sift through this massive data, identifying patterns and anomalies that could indicate potential equipment failure. In one instance, AI detected a recurring anomaly in an aircraft's engine temperature readings during high-speed maneuvers. This information was flagged, and upon inspection, a crucial component was found on the brink of failure. The aircraft would have been grounded for days, maybe even weeks, under traditional maintenance protocols. But thanks to predictive maintenance, the issue was identified and resolved before it even became a problem. The aircraft was back in the sky within hours, not days, ensuring operational readiness and reducing downtime dramatically. Let's put this into perspective. It's estimated that downtime can cost up to $1,000 per minute in a military context. By identifying potential failures before they occur, AI-powered predictive maintenance could save millions of dollars annually. This isn't just a cost-saving measure, it's a strategic advantage. This predictive approach also reduces the risk to personnel. By predicting and preventing equipment failure, we're not just saving money, we're potentially saving lives. In high-stakes military operations, this is invaluable. This is just one example of how AI-powered predictive maintenance is revolutionizing the military.